Hey, it's Age here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for crypto total market cap. We'll go over some key levels of support and resistance and wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory. Let's get going. So again, I got three different total caps here, market caps here. Got the total or total 1, which has all of the market caps of cryptos in it. Total 2, that has everything but Bitcoin, so excluding Bitcoin, and total 3, which is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that is basically the altcoin market cap. So again, not all of those at once. Some major levels of support and resistance. Of course, this does not really correlate completely, as you can't just trade our total market cap on itself, but these are some levels that I've seen that has been working. So mostly here we're focusing on these brown boxes, and they have been offering some nice support and resistance areas. Now above us we got one at 2.42 trillion and one below us at 1.2 trillion. Now again, of course, these are massive differences in money in the market caps, but again, those are the ones that have been already established. Now there's a few different channels that I wanted to show you as well. Actually, we have one here. Yeah, I was looking at like something was missing. Again, one here at around 1.5 trillion that we have tapped a few times, and it's going to be another level of support. Again, we have tapped this area multiple times now, and as the overall trend here, the local trend basically, has been down for quite some time now, I would expect this to be broken in larger time frame. Now let's take those off and just see the channels that I have here. This is from the lows of August 2015 to the lows of March 2020, pulled up to the highs of January 2018. We can see some nice correlation between the middle line here, few different times bouncing off of it and holding as a support. Again, on weekly time frame we can see this, and could be probably seen on smaller time frames as well, some correlation here. Now another somewhat important channel, to me at least, is this one. Highs of June 2019 to the highs of May 2021 to the lows of March 2020. We can see again nice correlation between the middle channel acting as a resistance and support, depending on where we are at that point of time. Previously at the shorter term we've just backtested it and now going downwards, which is really bearish. Again, not completely short term, but this is again showing that we still have some positive momentum, I guess, still in the market, still a possibility for bulls to turn this around. All is not lost as of yet. There's another channel, of course, here that is bearish. We see loads of weeks upwards here on the weekly, which was a lot of selling pressure before we got up here and got to this area where we've now placed the channel and see how we can support this channel downwards, if at all. Also, a pitchfork can be placed here from the lows of December 2018 and pivot points June 2019 and March 2020. You can see that this has some nice correlation as well with all these lines. 38.2 acting as support and resistance here. Oh sorry, support again here. 61.8 before going up higher to the medium one. And you can see that this has been pretty good, seeing some kind of at least some kind of effects around these trend lines or these pitchfork lines. Now onto some Elliott Wave stuff. This is basically the bull scenario that I have overall. Now again, I'm not going to go too deeply into these counts as they don't, to me at least, offer too much of a short-term indication, but again, overall in the markets I could see this as some guidelines, I guess. So for here I have 1, 2 in primary and currently making some kind of third of primary. On total market cap, looks like we bottomed here at around December 2018 before starting a new bull run basically for the third of cycle wave. Now we have done 1, 2 according to this, 3 and currently making the 4. This is reminding so much of Bitcoin. No wonder why. Bitcoin is the largest asset here and definitely influencing this the most. We've gone above the 1.618, which is why I have 3 here. Now the difference between this and the other crypto total market caps is quite significant. Let's go for the projection of the alt or total 3, which is the altcoin market basically. And we see actually that we have, let's hide this for a bit. We have, hide this for now as well. The lower low is actually here at March 2020 and not here at December 2018. So we can't have the wave 2 starting here. Oh, sorry, yeah, ending here. We have to end it here because it is a lower low. So instead, now we would be looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, which is quite a bit different than the one we have for the Bitcoin chart here, where we have just a third here and then 4th and 5th. So this is somewhat interesting, at least to me, the correlation of these counts, but they are not same. Either we have this as a 5th of primary, meaning we have already capped the third of cycle. But look at that. We have the wave 1 of cycle already here, around 360 billion. And if we have indeed created the third of cycle here, we really can't go much downwards anymore. We just don't have much left. We have another 43% of altcoin cap basically to go down, which is not too much, to be honest. If we do get below this invalidation point here, and at that point this can't be a wave 4, unless we would like to see some kind of a diagonal. But to me it would be more realistic, at least, to say that this is actually just the intermediate one. Sorry, intermediate 5 and primary 1. And this would be the actual Elliott Wave count that we would be looking for. Now this is way more bullish, of course, but it is possible. But I'm not holding it as a primary until we have broken this area around 360 billion. But again, just by looking at this wave structure, saying that this is wave 4 here, something like this, it is looking quite small and insignificant compared to this one. There's really no correlation between them. So indeed, it could be a wave 2. And at that point, let's see what we could see possibly, I don't know, like this. Again, you can see how on logarithmic scale all of these numbers goes up to the moon, but it is what could be coming with the adoption of crypto on the large larger scene. But yeah, I think that's what I wanted to share on crypto total market caps, the one and basically the three. The Ethereum one, that includes Ethereum. Let's see, actually, I can't see it on here, so let's check it out here. So on this one we can still place the wave 2 here at the bottom of December 2018. So that is basically nothing different than to the market cap, or the one with the Bitcoin and Ethereum. But yeah, I think that's all I want to share on crypto market caps in total. Let me know if you have some other counter ideas what this could be coming, or what could be coming in the near future years, I guess. But yeah, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the channel soon again. Bye bye.